Hello there, welcome to our online English class. First, let me ask you, can you see me clearly? Okay, can you hear me well? Okay, is my talking speed okay? Or should I speak slower? By the way, my name is Teacher Shane and I'm from the Philippines. How about you? What is your name? Oh, that's great. Nice to meet you. So now let's go and start with our lesson for today. Are you ready? Okay, good. First, let me share my screen. Do you see my screen now? Okay, good. So we have here lesson number 1. Do we have the same textbook? Okay, good. So we have here our lesson. The title is What Do You Want to Do? Please repeat. Okay, good job. And we have here this week's phrase, I want to. Please repeat. Okay, very good. Now let's proceed on the first part of our lesson. We have here, let's learn new words. And on the first part of our lesson, we have here, you can choose the correct word that matches the picture. But first, let us read and practice the vocabulary that you are going to repeat after teacher. Okay? So now let's proceed to picture number 1. We have here play. Please repeat. Very good. We have here sing. Please repeat. Good job. And next, picture number 2. We have here eat. Please repeat. Very good. And next, we have make. Please repeat. Good job. And next, we have here picture number 3. Dance. Please repeat. Good job. And next, sing. Please repeat. Good job. And next, picture number 4. Eat. Please repeat. Good job. And next, dance. Please repeat. Very good. Now let's proceed to our activity. So for our activity, you can choose the correct word that matches the picture. So let's proceed to picture number 1. What are they doing? A, is it play? Or B, is it sing? Very good. It is play. And proceed to picture number 2. What is he doing? A, is it eat? Or B, is it make? Very good. It is eat. So now let's proceed to picture number 3. What are they doing? A, is it dance? Or B, is it sing? Very good. It is sing. And let's proceed to picture number 4. What are they doing? A, is it eat? Or B, is it dance? Very good. It is dance. You did a good job on our lesson for today. By the way, sorry, but it's already time, and I am happy meeting you today, and you try your best to express yourself by speaking English. Good job for that. See you again soon. Bye bye.